What do we do? Audience. Thank you. Thank you, audience. All right. So simplify. So simplify means no like terms, no parentheses, right?
Yeah.
So that means we need to do what first then?
You gotta
Can I put these two together?
no.
No. So I'm gonna have. How am I gonna get rid of these parentheses?
You gotta break them up.
Okay. So let's distribute so I can break that up.
So
So
do
let's
negative 4.
-4 times
A.
A.
And then,
Can somebody tell them two right there that we're recording?
guys, we're recording and we're doing work, so be quiet.
I can hear you all on the video.
Oh, all right.
Yup.
So then -4 times what? 3. So make sure you bring -4 times A, -4 times +3
Yeah.
minus A, right? So now we do what next?
Oh, we gotta
Multiply?
Yeah.
-4 times A is -4A. -4 times 3 is a negative times a positive is a
Negative.
negative. Minus A, right? Any like terms?
Yes, for
Yes.
A.
-4A and
A.
negative A. Don't forget that negative. What goes in front of that A?
1.
A 1, so that's really -1. So I'm going to use commutative property to put them side by side. And now if I got a -4 and a -1, 4 negatives, 1 more negative, what am I going to end up with?
Negative 3.
What?
Wait,
You know.
3?
4 negatives
Negative
and
3.
1 more negative?
Oh,
Negative 5.
1, 2, 3, 4 negatives.
yeah, it's gonna
1
be
more
negative
negative. That's not a
5.
positive. It's
That's what I
going to
said.
be -5A minus
Literally.
12.
I didn't say that.
Yeah, you did.
Yes, you did.
Yes, you did.
All right, and here we go. Everybody good with that?
Yes.
Yes. All right. What's our? We got another one?
Yeah, number 31.
Okay. Number 31.
Alright,
Ooh, that's a
Wait,
nice
this
one.
is the
this is
whole.
a nice one.
So what do you do?
So you gotta break up those two parentheses.
Okay. So how we gonna break them up?
So we're gonna do 3 times 2n. Yes.
Okay. So I'm write it out first. 3 times 2n. Then what?
And then you're gonna do positive 3
Ooh, +3 times
times positive 4.
now +4. All right. I'm gonna stop there.
Mhm.
Now what we gonna do here?
Then you do the minus
Okay.
2
Okay.
times
Uh-huh.
3n
Good.
times
So I'm gonna put times here.
no plus no yes
Plus.
yes plus
Plus.
-2
Plus -2 times
times 6.
6.
She had to stand up.
Good.
I was like, wait, what?
What could have I put here instead of a plus? Could I
Uh,
have just put -2?
no.
I could have.
Yes, you
You
could.
could.
So I
Turn
could
it
have
to
had -2
Yeah,
times
that's
3n and then do -2 again times 6.
But like,
You see what I'm saying? Because watch this. What is negative times a positive?
a negative.
A negative. What's a negative times a positive?
Negative.
Negative. So you're still going to end up with -12.
Oh.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Right? All right. But the way you did it was perfect. All right. So now what?
Now we're gonna do 3 times 2
2n.
2n.
And we're
It's
gonna get?
6n.
Good. And then we're going to
We're
do?
put the plus sign, drop the plus sign,
Uh-huh.
and then you're gonna do 3 times 4,
Uh-huh.
and then you're gonna get 12,
Yeah.
and then you're gonna do drop the minus sign.
You keep telling me to drop that minus sign. But what if this would have been a negative and this would have been a negative? Would I put a negative here?
No,
Why not?
because you had to wait. You would
Yeah,
have.
this
Because
would've
they
been-
both negatives.
Well, no. Because what's a negative times a negative?
Positive.
Positive.
A positive. So I wouldn't have put a minus here. I would have put a plus, right? So what I'm looking for you to tell me is not drop that negative sign. I want you to say -2 times +3n is -6n. That tells me what sign to put.
Oh.
Okay? So what am I going to do here?
So you're gonna do -2 times 6,
Which is going to give me,
12.
is it
No.
positive or negative?
Negative.
Why is it negative?
No, it's positive. It still got the P. It got the T. The plus sign.
Yeah, but isn't this what is this?
A
A negative. And what's this?
A positive. Oh, it's a negative times a positive.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Follow?
Yeah.
All right, now, can I use commutative property to put like terms side by side?
Yes.
All right, so what am I have?
6
6n.
plus, yeah, 6n plus 6n. No, yeah, you can do that. Wait, no, you can't because that's a negative 6n. So you can do the 12.
No. You can still put the n side by side, but
But you
instead
can
of it
put
being
parentheses?
positive, it's going to be what?
Negative. Oh,
Negative. So this is 6n, positive 6n. This is what? Negative 6n. See how I wrote that?
Oh.
This is what? Positive 12.
12.
And this is what?
Negative 12.
Negative 12. Exactly. You just write
And
them
then
out.
Can you combine those 6?
I'm watching you, chick.
Can
So
you
what's
combine-
6n minus 6n?
It's 0.
0.
So you're gonna
And
have
what's 12 minus 12?
0.
0.
So n equals 0.
Yep. It's not n equals 0. It's just
0.
0.
0.
It's nothing.
Zero past.
You took away everything. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yes. All right, let's roll. So what number are we on now?
Last one, number
Ooh,
2.
yes, Lord.
36.
Sorry, I didn't mean to say that out loud.
That's
Okay, we ready?
Yeah.
Give me everything you got. What do we do?
All right, let's go.
What we
So we
got?
don't have to break up that parentheses.
Break it up. What we gonna do with
Yeah.
it?
And we could break that. No, we can't do that. I was gonna say, can we break the 17 down, but we can't. So we can just.
That's cool.
I was like, break.
You
the
almost could
17
though. You could break it to a 10 and a
10,
7 if you want
7.
to. Yeah, we could do that.
You right.
We could do that. You want to do that? We could do that. Because I don't know what 4 times 17 is.
Yeah, me either.
So let's do it. So let's say 12 minus 4 times negative 8v plus 10 plus 7. Sounds good to me. I like that. Let's go. What do we do next?
Now we gonna do 12.
Drop
Bring
the
down
12.
to 12.
Uh-huh.
And then we gonna put the negative 8. Yeah, the negative 4
Times
times the negative 4 times negative 8.
v.
V.
Okay?
And then you're gonna do the plus sign.
Don't worry about the sign. What's your next step? You
Oh, negative 4
Yes.
times
8.
10.
Yes.
10.
Then what?
Negative 4 times
Yes.
7.
See how we doing that? We just keep going back, right?
Yes.
So now, let's work it out. We got subtraction, but we also got multiplication. So which one we gonna do first?
Multiplication.
So bring that down from left to right. So what do we got here? Negative times the negative is a positive. 8 times 4 is?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
8 times 4 is?
Go first. Yeah, yeah.
32b. What?
Yeah.
All right.
Completely different.
Negative times a positive is a?
Negative.
Negative.
So it's
4
negative
times
40.
10 is?
Negative
Go.
40.
40. And negative times a positive is a?
Negative.
Negative. And 4 times 7 is?
28.
Oh, yeah. You stand play. Oh,
Y'all should
yeah.
not be excited about that, okay? So, do we have any like terms? Anything we can put together?
No.
No?
No.
You can't put 12 with 40 with 28?
No.
Yeah.
No?
You
No?
can't do that because you don't even have the thing.
You don't have what?
A variable.
But they're still like terms.
But they're still like terms.
Because they're both numbers.
If I gave you 3 and a 5, could you put them together?
Yes. Because
But they ain't got no variables.
They're like terms because they're
No,
both normal
you're right.
numbers.
They don't
They
got
don't
a
need to have
variable. Each-
variables.
But
None
are
of
they
them
like
have
terms?
variables.
Can they be
Yes, they are.
simplified?
Yes.
Can they be combined? So let's roll. So, what do I have? I got 12 minus 40 minus 28 plus 32v.
I mean, yeah.
Right? Y'all with me?
B.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now, 12 positives, 40 negatives. Am I going to have positives or negatives left?
Negative.
Negatives. How many negatives? It's going to be 28
28 minus 28
minus 28
plus 32.
plus 32v. Be careful.
So
Is that a 0?
Yes, because
No.
20.
No, but that's both oh yeah, they all cross each other out though. But no, because they both negative. So how would you do that? You add them up together. Be smart.
It was 28 plus 28, but it was 28
So
plus
negative 28 and negative 28 is negative
something.
56
Negative one.
plus 32v.
Okay, so now.
Can I combine these?
No.
Because
Why
it's
not?
negative and a positive, so you have to cancel it out.
No, Renaya. You gotta.
Actually, they
gotta-
it's a negative and a positive, so it cancels out.
Yeah.
Okay,
You gotta
so-
count-
So these are like terms?
No, you
No,
gotta
they-
count
So I can put them
32.
together.
No, you subtract.
Because you gotta.
So I can subtract these.
Yes.
So I can subtract a 56, negative 56, and a 32v?
No.
No, but wait, because that's a negative and it's higher.
Okay, so let me ask you this. Watch this, watch this. If I do
Put
this,
me off.
then what y'all saying is true.
Yes, Miss Stephanie.
Yeah.
But that ain't what I'm showing you.
That's
I'm
how
showing you
it's
this.
With the B.
You got a V. So can I combine them?
That's the
No,
answer.
Miss Stafford, you say
That
you
is the
add them.
answer.
Oh,
I
yeah,
cannot
you're
I got it
add
right
right,
before
because we
y'all.
got a verb at the
No.
end.
Yeah, so
Good
are
job.
they like
I got it
terms?
first. I said it.
Good job.
Finally.
AirPods.
Yeah, you go better, they go
AirPods.
subtract.
They were saying the same
AirPods.
thing.
Everybody good?
AirPods.
Ah, excellent. Thank you. Everybody get in here. Okay, you can turn off the recording.